Arman Surchi. A journey to South Korea promises an incredible tapestry of experiences that blend history, culture, and modernity. When planning your visit, consider traveling during the spring or autumn months. During these seasons, the landscape transforms into a colorful canvas, showcasing delicate cherry blossoms in spring and vibrant autumn leaves that create a breathtaking backdrop. When it comes to arrival, Incheon International Airport stands as the main portal to Korea. This buzzing international hub offers state-of-the-art facilities and seamless connections to the capital city, Seoul. Once you've landed, navigating the country is a breeze thanks to the efficient public transportation system, including high-speed KTX trains, subways, and buses. The handy T-Money card simplifies your travels, letting you move effortlessly through the cities. Seoul, the vibrant capital, is a treasure trove of attractions. Step into the majestic Gyeongbokgung Palace, where the echoes of history resound through its stunning architecture and the awe-inspiring changing of the guard ceremony. Nearby, Bukchon Hanok Village enchants visitors with its traditional Korean houses, offering a glimpse into the country's past. As night falls, experience the lively energy of Myeongdong and Hongdae, where shopping and tantalizing street food blend into a memorable nightlife scene. Busan, with its coastal allure, invites you to unwind at Haeundae and Gwangali beaches, where the sun, sand, and surf create an irresistible atmosphere. Dive into the sensory delights at Jagalchi Fish Market, renowned as Korea's largest seafood market, before exploring the artistry of Gamcheon Culture Village, a kaleidoscope of colors nestled on a hillside. For nature enthusiasts, Jeju Island is a paradise with its pristine landscapes. The majestic Halasan Mountain offers invigorating hiking trails leading to panoramic views. Witness the enchanting Seongsan Ilchulbong, a volcanic crater that rises dramatically from the sea, and relax at the island's idyllic beaches and cascading waterfalls. No trip to Korea is complete without indulging in its exquisite cuisine. Savor the vibrant flavors of bibimbap, the culinary masterpiece of mixed rice adorned with fresh vegetables. Kimchi, a staple side dish, brings an invigorating tang, while samgyeopsal, grilled pork belly, offers an unforgettable BBQ experience. For street food lovers, tteokbokki and jimdak present a delightful taste of tradition. Dive deeper into Korean culture through unique experiences like donning a traditional hanbok or immersing yourself in a K-pop dance class. Engage with Korea's serene side through temple stays in Buddhist temples or witness the history of the DMZ. Don't forget to explore bustling night markets where local delicacies beckon from every corner, creating a sensory-rich adventure.